Hello and welcome to Traveler's Bazaar. My name is Quinn Russell. I'm an architectural journalist based in Dubai, and my passion is showcasing the best in luxury real estate and lifestyle. Today is no exception. We're on the Palm Jumeirah in a 29 million AED duplex penthouse. The views are incredible. The interiors are impeccably done, and this roof terrace that I'm currently standing on is quite amazing. You can see all of the Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Marina, the Burj Al Arab, and even the Burj Khalifa. Even the Atlantises, it's incredible. So I'm gonna get this tour started so you guys can see everything and see why I'm so excited to showcase all of the luxury living here in Dubai and beyond. Let's go. Stepping inside this 6,382 square foot duplex penthouse made up of 3 bedrooms and a maid's bedroom, the space is immediately defined by a dramatic double height staircase volume, setting a grand architectural tone. Suspended above, a sculptural chandelier cascades like a constellation, its pendant lights evoking the brilliance of shooting stars. Each step of the staircase is subtly backlit, enhancing its flowing effect and reinforcing the residence's sense of scale and sophistication. Near the entrance, a sculptural console table serves as both a functional and aesthetic anchor, complemented by a wall-mounted light fixture that casts a warm ambient glow. A smart home tablet placed here for convenience controls the residence's fully automated system, seamlessly managing Wi-Fi-enabled lighting, air conditioning, curtains, and the main entrance door. Moving forward, a gallery-like hallway unfolds. To the left, the powder room. To the right, the home gym, a private wellness retreat seamlessly integrated into the residence's flow. First, let's explore the powder room before stepping into the gym. Ideally concealed, the powder room is softly illuminated by LED backlighting, creating a warm ambient glow. A freeform mirror sits above a sleek wash basin, enhancing the modern aesthetic. Opposite a backlit commode is framed by a striking wood-paneled feature wall, bringing warmth and tranquility to the space. Stepping into the gym, an expansive, light-filled environment unfolds. 3 sliding glass doors open onto the rooftop terrace, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor fitness. The gym is equipped with Nord fitness equipment from Germany, including a treadmill, cycling machine, weight bench, and a dumbbell rack with matching dumbbells, each crafted with precision and ergonomic refinement. A 55-inch Sony TV from Japan is positioned for an immersive workout experience, completing the state-of-the-art wellness retreat. Exiting the gym with its soft curvilinear wood-paneled walls, we transition back through the gallery space into the heart of the home, the main living area. This space is anchored by a modern billiards table from RS Barcelona, Spain, adding a dynamic yet refined entertainment element. Adjacent to it, 2 Ibarza armchairs from Turkey sit beside custom-built LED lit shelving, perfect for curated books and objects d'art. The primary seating area is defined by a luxurious Al Huzaifa sofa from Turkey, positioned around an 85-inch Sony flat screen. The area rug, with its undulating wave-like motif, is beautifully echoed in the Al Huzaifa coffee table, creating a cohesive and fluid design language. In the corner, a tall sculptural art piece stands as a statement. Its elongated human form, perhaps a ballerina or an abstract figure, adds an emotive presence, grounding the space with a sense of artistry and movement. Moving towards the floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors, we step into one of the most defining elements of this residence, the terrace. Designed with a distinct Arabic influence, the Kingdom of Sheba, also known as the Balkhi residence, takes inspiration from traditional Arabic architecture, incorporating recessed terraces that provide natural shading. These terraces are enclosed by mashrabiyah-style screens, an architectural element that balances light, privacy, and ventilation. Opening the sliding glass doors, the indoor and outdoor spaces merge seamlessly. The recessed positioning ensures that while the terrace remains shaded, the panoramic views of the Palm Jumeirah remain unobstructed. This design choice helps reduce direct heat exposure, keeping the interiors cooler without sacrificing the connection to the outdoors. Looking outward, you can take in the framed views of the Palm Jumeirah fronds, the Atlantis hotels, the Balkhi central pool below. The terrace spans the full length of the residence, extending from the living and dining areas to other key spaces, reinforcing indoor-outdoor concept that defines true luxury. Stepping back, the brilliance of the design becomes clear, a perfect fusion of heritage and modernity, bringing sustainability, elegance, and functionality into a single breathtaking experience. Moving towards the formal dining space, we have a beautifully crafted Al Huzaifa dining table from Turkey again, offering seating for 8. Above, a Maytoni pendant light from Germany casts a soft glow, setting the perfect ambiance for intimate gatherings. To the side, we have glass encased shelving with LED backlighting featuring dark, translucent glass that enhances the modern aesthetic while offering ample space for curated tableware and display pieces. This open plan space seamlessly connects to the billiards area, creating an effortless flow for entertaining. Beyond the dining area, we step into the show kitchen, a refined space designed for both culinary artistry and social engagement. A bar counter with seating for 3, illuminated by Schiller pendant lights from Spain, anchors the space. The cabinetry, crafted in a nude tone with aesthetic, integrates seamlessly with high-end appliances, making this kitchen both functional and visually striking. For coffee enthusiasts, a Barazza built-in coffee machine from Italy takes center stage. This high-performance system includes an espresso setting and a milk steamer, allowing you to craft barista-level lattes, cappuccinos, and Americanos with ease. Below it, a Barazza microwave combi oven from Italy is neatly integrated into the cabinetry, maintaining a sleek, streamlined aesthetic. To the side, we have a CM induction cooktop from Italy, a state-of-the-art appliance that offers precise temperature control. Next to it, a built-in refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher from CM Italy ensures that all kitchen essentials are seamlessly tucked away, enhancing the clean, modern design. Further below, a LED-lit wine cooler from CM, also made in Italy, provides the perfect climate control storage for an exquisite selection of wines. Stepping through the gym and out onto the expansive rooftop terrace, we are immediately greeted by the piece de resistance of this duplex penthouse, the elevated skimmer swing pool, a striking architectural feature that commands attention. The infinity-like design makes you feel as if you're suspended above the Palm Jumeirah, immersed in an almost surreal landscape. This is where Dubai's bold vision for luxury living comes to life. There is simply nowhere else like the Palm Jumeirah, a man-made marvel that has redefined coastal real estate. The view stretches across the iconic Palm Jumeirah fronts, with the St. Regis Tower rising in the distance, beyond which lies Dubai Marina and the Dubai Harbor, a playground for super yachts and a skyline of architectural triumphs. Looking down, the bulky residence villas unfold beneath us, their lush, verdant surroundings providing a striking contrast to the shimmering Arabian Gulf below. The Palm Jumeirah Crescent Beach, a private and exclusive stretch of shoreline, frames the horizon, offering a constant reminder of Dubai's mastery of merging land and sea. This is not just a penthouse, this is a world apart, a world-class retreat that embodies the essence of ultra-luxury living. Moving across the terrace, there are sun loungers, beanbags, and a shaded pergola with a retractable cover, creating a flexible outdoor living area. A dining table for 8 sits nearby, perfectly positioned for alfresco dining with a view, complemented by a barbecue station, making this the ultimate social and leisure space. The seating area with its modern outdoor sofas and armchairs offers a cozy yet sophisticated ambience, while subtle lighting enhances the atmosphere, making it just as inviting in the evening as it is during the day. As we move back into the home, we step into the gym's full bathroom, a well-designed space that balances functionality with modern elegance. The walk-in shower is sleek and spacious, complemented by a floating vanity with a backlit LED mirror, adding both warmth and depth to the space. The toilet and bidet seamlessly integrate into the design, maintaining the home's consistent neutral tones that exude sophistication. Just behind the show kitchen, we step into the laundry room, a practical yet thoughtfully designed space. It features a washer and dryer for convenience, along with a dedicated folding area, ensuring efficiency and organization. Adjacent to the laundry room is the maid's quarter, which offers a private storage area and an ensuite bathroom. The ensuite is equipped with a pedestal sink and a walk-in shower, maintaining the home's seamless blend of functionality and elegance. This area ensures privacy and comfort while maintaining the high standards of design seen throughout the penthouse. As we move downstairs from the upper level, we are once again greeted by the cosmic-inspired chandelier, which cascades through the void, drawing the eye downwards. The LED backlit staircase enhances the sense of grandeur. At the landing, a Dom Kappa armchair from Italy creates a quiet moment for relaxation. The hallway itself is a gallery of modern artwork with a striking textured wooden installation that introduces depth and dimension. Anchoring the lower level is the office space, a refined yet highly functional retreat. A Sony 65-inch television is seamlessly embedded into a textured feature wall, offering a sophisticated multimedia experience. LED backlit shelving ensures ample storage while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. Overhead, a champagne tone pendant light by Maytoni from Germany casts a warm glow, complementing the E-Forma office chair from Italy and the wood-style office table from the UAE. From here, the hallway leads to the three luxurious bedrooms, each designed as a private sanctuary, balancing contemporary elegance with comfort. As we step into the first private bedroom, the ensuite bathroom greets us with soft nude and earth tones, a modern rain shower, and LED backlit surfaces, creating a warm and inviting space. The centerpiece of the bedroom is the king-size bed, crafted by Desiree from Italy, dressed in luxurious Fazzini bedding from Spain, and supported by a high-quality Englander mattress from the UK. The textured wave-like feature wall behind the bed is illuminated by LED lighting, giving it a soft, cloud-like effect that echoes the coastal setting. The floor-to-ceiling sliding doors open up to the private terrace, inviting in the breathtaking Palm Jumeirah views and seamlessly blending indoor-outdoor living. Above the bedside tables, which are locally sourced from the UAE, hang sleek pendant lights by Al Huzaifa from Turkey, adding a modern elegance. Across from the bed, a massive 65-inch Sony TV is seamlessly embedded into the wall, ensuring a streamlined look. The bedroom also features ample storage with a spacious LED-lit closet, ensuring both functionality and a sleek, modern aesthetic. Moving on to the secondary bedroom, we walk through and see ample storage on the left with an LED-lit closet seamlessly blending functionality with design. To the right, the ensuite bathroom continues with the home's warm nude tones, featuring a rain shower and an LED backlit mirror and carved out shelving for toiletries. Additional overhead storage ensures a clutter-free space, perfect for maintaining a sleek, organized bathroom. Before stepping out, the floating wash basin sits above a concealed storage unit, finished in a textured wooden facade, offering both style and practicality. Moving into the bedroom, on to the left, a multifunctional powder desk where the mirror provides a space for work or daily routines. Below, a poof adds comfortable seating, while hidden storage beneath the desk enhances the room's thoughtful layout. The room features a massive 65-inch Sony television seamlessly integrated into the design. It opens onto an expansive terrace through a 3-panel glass sliding door, transforming the bedroom into a true indoor-outdoor retreat. Stepping outside, you're immediately met with iconic Palm Jumeirah views, a breathtaking panorama that defines luxury living. Turning back towards the room, the coastal modern aesthetic is evident. Soft nude tones, clean lines, and a sense of airy openness. The space feels expansive yet warm, perfectly balancing elegance with a relaxed seaside ambiance. Stepping into the master bedroom, we head straight into the walk-in closet, featuring sleek tinted glass wardrobes by a local builder, beautifully illuminated with LED lighting. These allow you to showcase your designer pieces before even opening them. The closet offers extensive storage, including velvet-lined jewelry drawers, perfect for watches, diamond earrings, and other prized possessions. The Hafel Germany smart mirror is seamlessly integrated into the space, providing both a functional and elegant option for grooming. As you step into the master bathroom, you're greeted by a stunning sculptural artwork with a scaled design reminiscent of the coastal surroundings. The floating vanity is sleek and modern, featuring elevated glass-like sinks paired with Bango design UAE sanitary ware, all illuminated by warm LED lighting. To the side, the toilet and bidet are discreetly sectioned, ensuring privacy and functionality. The zero-edge walk-in rain shower provides a seamless entry, enhancing the clean, contemporary aesthetic. Built-in LED-lit shelving within the shower offers a practical yet luxurious touch, evoking a resort-like ambiance. Completing the space, the Living House UK towel warmer rack adds an extra layer of comfort. Stepping into the master bedroom, you're welcomed by LED-lit wooden paneling, framing a Sony 65-inch TV, seamlessly built into the wall. The centerpiece of the room is a king-size bed from Desiree, Italy, dressed in luxurious bedding by Roberto Cavalli, also from Italy, and a mattress by Englander UK, ensuring ultimate comfort. To the sides of the bed, you have a bedside table lamp from a local UAE brand, topped with a table lamp from Ibarza and a pendant light from Schiller from Spain casting a soft golden glow. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors open onto a recessed terrace, framing iconic Palm Jumeirah views and seamlessly extending the bedroom into an indoor-outdoor retreat. This master suite is the perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and contemporary design. And that wraps up our tour of this exquisite penthouse at the Balkhi residence, also known as the Kingdom of Sheba on the Palm Jumeirah Crescent. If you've enjoyed this luxury real estate showcase, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Follow us on Instagram at Travelers Bazaar for exclusive behind-the-scenes content and more luxury property tours across Dubai and beyond. Dubai is such an incredible city, and there's so much more to uncover, so stay tuned for the next episode as we continue bringing you the best in high-end real estate, lifestyle, and beyond. If you're interested in purchasing this property, I can certainly connect you with the seller. Feel free to DM me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.